Ethula inkulumo yakhe uMosimane ubonge uJomo Sono kanye nenkakhe engasekho uStanley Skrima Shabalala nomengameli okhona nabaphambilini beSAFA.
I'm also grateful to Jomo Sono, who's here, Dr. Jomo Sono, who's here at the podium, our legend that we always know, and the late Stanley Brasten Skrima Shabalala, whose mentorship and guidance have been invaluable throughout my career. These were the gentlemen who discovered me and set my path. I thank you, Brajay. I don't know where I would be without you identifying me.
uMosimane uthi ukuzibandakanya nebhola likanobhutshuzwayo umvulele amathuba.
Growing up with a humble background, I never imagined that football would open doors it has done for me. Football has been my passport to the world, providing opportunities that I could have only dreamed of.
Uthi imfundo ibe ngumkhombandlela empilweni yakhe.
Education has played a crucial role in shaping my career and life. Education in sport is not just about physical training or technical training. It is about developing discipline, strategic thinking, and leadership.
Lo mcimbi ubuthanyelwe nangabaqeqeshi bakwamanye amazwe aseAfrika kanye nezikhulu zebhola kuleli.